Equations with brackets. Example 1. Solve 5 bracket open b plus 1 bracket close equals to 3 bracket open b plus 3 bracket close. You can see that this question, which is an equation, has brackets on both sides of the equation, both at the left hand side and at the right hand side. So what we do first of all is to clear the bracket, or in other words remove the bracket, by multiplying what is outside the bracket by the terms in the bracket. So we are going to say 5 times b, at the same time 5 times 1, so that we can eliminate the brackets. The same thing applies to the right hand side of the equation. So this is how we clear the bracket. 5 times b will give us this 5b, and 5 times 1 give us 5. At the right hand side we have 3 times b is 3b, and 3 times 3 give us 9. So the sign, the symbol plus, is also written as shown. Now after clearing the bracket, what we do is to bring the unknowns together. The unknown is with letter b. So we are going to bring the unknown to one side of the equation and the number terms to the other side. Unknown terms can come to the left hand side, while the number terms can come to the right hand side. So this is what we do. We have 5b here, and we can take this 3 to meet 5b. This 3 is actually a plus 3b. So going to the other side of the equation, it changes its sign to minus. So it becomes minus 3b equals sign. Then we have 9 left here, 9, and then 5 is taken to the other side of the equation to meet the number 10, which is 9. So 5 turns to the other side of the equation. From plus 5 it becomes minus 5. So 3b is at the left hand side to meet 5b, and 9 is met by minus 5 at the right hand side of the equation. So what we do now is to say 5b minus 3b, and that would be 2b equals sign. Then we have 9 minus 5 going to give us 4. Okay. Right. So 2b equals to 4, which means 2 multiplied by something is going to give us 4. Obviously that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So we can say b is 2. You can say 4 divided by 2. So we have b equals to 2. That's clarified. Okay, let's look at the other side. We have another example on the right hand side. I want to go to the right hand side of the equation. What's happening? Okay, let me pick this. Okay, here is another example here, example 2. 4a plus 3 all over 5 equals to a plus 3 all over 2. What do we do in this regard? You can see the expression here, cross multiply. So what we do is to cross multiply this by this, and the numerator of the left hand side multiplied by the denominator of the right hand side. So 5 is going to multiply the terms a plus 3, while 2 is going to multiply by 4a plus 3. So how do we do the cross multiplication? Okay, this is what we do now. We say 2 times 4a and 2 times plus 3. So this is how it will appear. You can say 2 bracket, excuse me. Okay, let's apply the bracket again. 2 times 4a plus 3, bracket close, equals to the other side is 5, bracket open, we have a plus 3, bracket close. So 2 multiplies 4a plus 3 equals to 5 to multiply by a plus 3, bracket close. Let me quickly eliminate this. Okay, so that is the cross multiplication, and now we want to remove the bracket so that we can continue. So 2 times 4a give us 8a, 8a, and 2 multiplied by 3 give us 6 plus 6. Then we have equal sign. 5 multiplied by a, 5 times a give us 5a, 5a, 5 times 3 will give us 15. Right, so we have unknowns on both sides. We can bring the unknowns to the left hand side, the unknown terms to the left hand side, and the number terms to the right hand side. So we have 8a, taking 5 to the other side of the equation, we make 5 to change to a negative sign. It's a positive sign here. Going to the other side of the equation, make it a negative sign. So we have minus 5a. Then we go to the right hand side. We are taking 6 to meet 15. And 6 has a plus 6. At the other side of the equation becomes 15 minus 6. So here we have 8a minus 5a gives us 3a, and here equals to 15 minus 6 will give us 9. So 3 times a equals to 9. Obviously 3 times 3 equals to 9. Three times 3 equals to 9, which means a equals to 3. So that is it about solving questions like this. I hope this is understood, and you can ask your question in the comment section, and like and subscribe.